If you're still waiting to pick up some last-minute snow supplies, you may want to call ahead. As Alex Littlehales reports, inventory that was in stock across local hardware stores today didn't last long.
Just as quick as supplies arrive, they're gone even faster.
We had 5 pallets, and now we're down to this last one.
This is the last of what David Price has in inventory.
You get the new people, the transition people coming in from the military and all that, coming from Florida, coming from California.
Last-minute pickups for yet another snowstorm in an unusually busy winter in Hampton Roads.
No, not in Virginia. We don't get it like that.
So snow shovels completely sold out here at the Taylor's hardware store on Colley Avenue, but for what people can get their hands on, like salt, it's flying off the shelves. Pallets like this going in just a couple minutes.
Called like 3 or 4 different stores.
In Jerome Wolf's cart sit the last 2 bags of salt until the next delivery at Taylor's Do-It Center on Colley Avenue.
I was gonna get the 3rd one, but the guy before me had needed one, so I let him have it.
Putting an end to a long search. But seeing anything left in stock isn't even a guarantee now. At the Lakewood Ace Hardware on Tidewater Drive, they've been out of salt and shovels for days now. So if you do see something you need ahead of tomorrow's snow, chances are it won't be there for long.
This store, and it wiped out. Yeah, wiped out. Which is good because people are now realizing, prepare yourself. Don't get ready, be ready.
In Norfolk, Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
Good advice.